Hi folks, we've just come down from the amazing Marina Bay Sands Sky Park. We're heading across the walkway to Gardens by the Bay. We're just going to walk around for about an hour to an hour and a half before the light show starts. As I've said in previous vlogs, just make sure when you come to Gardens by the Bay that you check all of the venues to make sure they are open on your travels. We arranged our travels to make sure that they were all open when we came here again. So our plan tonight is do the Super Tree light show, and then tomorrow morning we're coming back early. We are going up to the Super Tree Observatory and then doing the OCBC Skyway. As I said, make sure you book all these tickets in advance. We booked in advance tickets to the Super Tree Observatory, the OCBC Skyway, Cloud Forest, Flower Dome, Floral Fantasy, and it's also a great idea to book the shuttle bus. It's only a few dollars and it saves you kilometres of walking. It's great. So the Floral Fantasy display only opened again today after being closed for 2 weeks. Just after you enter Gardens by the Bay, you'll come across a large area on the left, which is Chinese gardens. That's beautiful. Gardens by the Bay in Singapore, it's an amazing garden. It's 105 hectares or 260 acres of some of the most fantastic gardens you'll find in the world. We came by taxi both days, but our hotel wasn't far from the garden. There is also public transport which stops near the Louis Vuitton Museum on the other side of the shopping centre. It is Bayfront Station Exit A. Alternatively, there is the Metro, which is Gardens by the Bay MRT station. Well, we're not far away from the light show. These amazing bears that are situated here, there is one bear here that is from every country in the world. They are absolutely beautiful, some of them. We'll do more footage tomorrow when we come back in the morning in the daylight. If you want a good location to sit down and watch the Super Tree light show, make sure you arrive early. We just have a couple of minutes of highlights from the light show extravaganza. Then we're going to be back after the light show tomorrow morning, which will be straight after the light show. So stay tuned after the light show for the Super Tree Observatory and the OCBC Skyway, and also a walk around the Super Tree Grove.
Take a soft, grab your cameras and enjoy the show.
Well, the light show was beautiful as always, and we're back early next morning with an absolutely gorgeous day today. We're headed for the Super Tree Observatory first. What a beautiful morning. At this point you can take the steps down or you can take an elevator. Now obviously the entrance to the observatory is on the largest super tree.
How do we get out? $40 by ticket, $40.
Hello. Yep, thanks. There are two levels in the super tree, one that has an external walkway and a cafeteria, and then the top is the observation deck, so I'm going up to the top first. What a beautiful view on a gorgeous day of Singapore, looking across the gardens and Singapore Marina Bay Sands. Looking across the giant wheel, which is the Singapore Flyer, and the two large domes, which is Cloud Forest and Flower Dome. The Cloud Forest will be at my next vlog, followed by the Flower Dome and then Floral Fantasy. So I've gone back down to the lower level, which is the walkway around the outside of the tree. It's nowhere near as good a vantage point as the top itself. You do get to look down on top of the OCBC Skyway. There is a small cafeteria at this level where you can buy refreshments. Just heading down from the observatory, then going up the OCBC Skyway. Hello.
Hi, afternoon. Skyway.
Thank you. Oops.
Alright, so you just press the level 2, you'll be exiting from the other side.
Level 2, thank you. The OCBC Skyway is an amazing walk. It's not for the faint of heart. If you do not like heights, it is a suspension type walkway and it does bounce up and down. My wife Irina sat this one out. She's sitting down the bottom. She takes some video of me later up here waving to her. I absolutely loved this suspension walkway. It was just beautiful. The OCBC Skyway is all access. The first level of the Super Tree Observatory is all access also, but not the top. There's about 30 to 40 steps. Well, we were definitely blessed on our second day in Singapore. If you enjoy our informative vlogs, please like and subscribe, as we love bringing them to you. And what a wonderful day in Singapore for our second day. Please check out all our other vlogs on other parts of the world that we've had travels to. Check out our previous vlog also on Singapore. It's on a different area and other highlights of Singapore. Amazing walk. These are those amazing bears again from all countries around the world. They are absolutely beautiful. You could spend an hour to 2 hours here just looking at these amazing bears, the artwork on them, just beautiful. Well, we're going to have lunch shortly over in the Jurassic Nest food hall. I had some amazing laksa, Singapore laksa, and yes, it was spicy. Our amazing Australian bear, I think it was decorated, the artwork by Ken Doan. Ken Doan is a very famous Australian artist. So we leave here after lunch and head back to near the entrance of the Gardens by the Bay, where we catch the shuttle service to the cloud forest. Thank you for watching. See you in the amazing cloud forest.